Alright guys, Rusty's Room back here, bringing you another box break. Today we're going to be doing this Bowman Blaster box here. I just cut the plastic off. It's at my local Walmart today. Thought I'd pick another one of these up. Another attempt here to try to pull any of the good prospects, any Benintendi's or Senzels, things like that. It is the 7 packs plus 1 extra pack. You can pick these up at your local Walmarts, Targets, any of the bigger box stores. Typically run about 20 bucks. Get a decent variety of cards in here. And there are the odds if you wanted to see what they've come in. I have pulled some pretty good stuff. Pretty good Cody Bellinger out of one of these before. But I do have one video from the last break I did, so you can go check that out. But let's go ahead and tear into this. Like I said, I just cut the plastic off. There's the empty box. There's the packs. This is what the packs will look like. Let's just go ahead and dive in. Craig Kimbrell. Got a Jacob deGrom. Paul Goldschmidt. Anthony Rizzo. Mark Stram, rookie. Looks like we've got a Bowman Chrome, first Bowman of Andy Ibanez. Looks like it is numbered number 7 out of 499. Eric Fetty, Harrison Bader, Bowman Chrome. That one does not appear numbered. We've got a Franklin Barreto and a Brent Honeywell. Alright, Ramil Tapia. Nice Aaron Judge rookie. Too bad it wasn't signed. Dansby Swanson rookie. Robinson Cano. Got a chrome of Travis Demerit. Does not appear numbered. Well, what do we got here? Talent pipeline for the Red Sox. Got the 3 players there. Nice little chrome insert there. Mark Zagunis. Luis Urias is not numbered. DJ Stewart and Juan Hillman. Alright, Max Scherzer, Felix Hernandez, Andrew McCutchen, Trey Turner. Alright, rookie favorites, Orlando Arcia rookie. Nice chrome insert on that. David Fletcher, Chris Shaw chrome, Lazarito Armenteros, not numbered. Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Michael Kopech. Danny Salazar, Joey Votto, Will Myers, Evan Longoria, Rob Segedin, Dominic Smith chrome, does not appear numbered, Cody Sedlock, Brian Anderson, not numbered, Yoshitomo Susugo from Japan from the World Baseball Classic insert, and Harold Ramirez. Stephen Piscotty, George Springer, Gregory Polanco, Bryce Harper base, Mauricio Dubon, Bowman Chrome, does not appear numbered. It's one of the 70th anniversary throwback cards. Park Pittman. Harlan Garcia, Joe Jimenez, not numbered, Grant Holmes, and Abraham Gutierrez. Buster Posey, Xander Bogaerts, Braden Shipley rookie, Tyler Glasnow rookie. There's another Xander Bogaerts insert. I have pulled the Nolan Arenado version of this as well. You can see that in the other video. Nice chrome insert. I think they're called the press day, something like that. They are out of uniform. Yu Chang, Antonio Senzatella, not numbered. Tristan McKenzie, not numbered. Cole Stewart, and Eloy Jimenez. Alright, 2 packs left. Mike Trout base. Hunter Renfroe rookie. Joe Musgrove rookie. Manny Machado. Nate Smith chrome. It's the top 100 scout day. Ronaldo Lopez. I believe you get one of these per blaster box. Wilkerman Garcia, Willie Adams, Josh Stalmont, Fernando Romero. Last pack. Hopefully some last pack mojo here. Chris Sale, Jake Arrieta, Gary Sanchez, Nomar Mazara, Colby Allard chrome. Oh, looks like we did. Well, looks like we hit a printing plate of Paul Goldschmidt. Look at that. Nice printing plate. A 1 of 1 Paul Goldschmidt yellow printing plate. Awesome. It's like the second 1 of 1 I think I've ever pulled. And actually both of them are printing plates, so look at that. Not sure exactly how much it's worth. That might go into the PC though. That's a pretty good card to hit out of a blaster. All right, Ahmed Rosario, Anderson Espinosa, chrome, Ronald Guzman, and Francis Martez. All right, so just a quick recap real quick on the hits. Things we got. So we got the Ronaldo Lopez, Bowman Scout top 100. Got the Xander Bogaerts press day chrome, Orlando Arcia rookie favorite, Andy Ibanez first Bowman. This was numbered 7 of 499 refractor, and then of course the Paul Goldschmidt printing plate. That card made my day. That paid for the box. I'm happy with that. Alright guys, that'll do it for this blaster box. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Comment below if there's anything you would like me to do differently or things you would like to see. I'll be glad to see if I can make those things happen. Alright, till next time. 1 box at a time. See ya.